All right, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. I got a new business website for you. This is going to help you pick a great name, hopefully one that's clear of trademark conflicts and a good brand that you can get a trademark on, and some fun stuff here. So let's take a look. So say you're starting a new company. Let's pick something fun. You've got, what do you got? You got a pickle company. You sell pickles, all right? Pickle company. All right, all kinds of stuff. It's making me hungry right now. All right. Go here, your namelicks.com, select a name style. So I can get some kind of alternative spelling. That might be pretty cool. These might help you get a trademark a little bit easier, as opposed to something that would be like real words. That could be a little bit harder to get a trademark on. You have short phrases that may also be a little hard to get a trademark on. I like these two brandable names. That's what I'm looking for, something brandable. Okay, here you have non-English words, compound words. So you can play with this and do whatever you want. When you're trying to come up with that great name, before you invest all your money, you want to pick something that you can have rights to, get a trademark on. Next, you pick select generation randomness. How random do you want it to be? Do you want it to be super random with more varied results, balanced, more creative? I'm looking for creative. I like that. Or less random, most direct name ideas. I want to stay away from that. I need creative. The more creative, the more what we call arbitrary and fanciful your name is, the easier it is to get a trademark, and the more likely somebody else doesn't already have the trademark. Plus, as you're going to see in a minute, you get a chance to get a domain name, which would be great.
Whoa, take it down.
All right, so let's do a short one-sentence description of the business or product. Delicious, spicy, and sweet pickles. That's what I'm talking about.
Feel good about those pickles. Ketchup! Use your lazy Susan.
All right. And I want to check the domains, because if I get a good brand name, it's really important to kind of have a good domain name to complement your name. So let's click that as well and generate this. Watch how easy this is. Doesn't take long. Here it is, namelicks.com. Whoa, we got all kinds of stuff. Do any of these sound good for a pickle company? Here's pickle spice. That's interesting. It's kind of descriptive. It's descriptive because it says your pickles are spicy. But you can click and go and check the domain, see if anybody has it. I'm hooked up here to Namecheap. Here it is. Look at that, picklespice.com, $7.98. Add it to your cart. You get a great domain name. Now, I don't like this so much from the trademark side, but let's go over here to my other site. Let's go searchtest.com. This takes you to my page. I tried to make this nice and easy to go check this thing out. So let's go take a look right here at pickle spice, and let's see if anybody has a registered trademark. So this is what you're going to want to look at. Here's Pickle Z. That's not very close, but that's dead and abandoned. Pickles Snaps. So you can kind of see what your competitors are out there as well. Pickles, Bickles, all kinds of things. So I'm looking, and here's Pickles, and sometimes somebody like this is a live trademark, but this is for restaurant and bar services. So I'm in a different category. I'm just trying to manufacture and sell pickles. You got one here, pickles. They're in backpacks, luggage, purses. So I'm okay, no conflicts. So anyway, you get the general idea here. So you want to get this great name. Come back here. Okay, so we get some other ones. What else? Spicy-licious. I kind of like that. So you get the idea here. You can do this for any business. Snackery, Spice Sweets, Spickles. That sounds pretty good. You know why? Because what does that really mean? So it's arbitrary and fanciful. You really don't even know what that word means. Spickles. Kind of like that. Let's go check out the domain. Is that available? Look at that, $7.98. You can have yourself a wonderful single word domain. You got yourself a pickle brand. You go over to your search test. There you go. Sorry about the delay there. Go to my this. Come here and then just really quickly check. Is there anything that's conflicting, a conflicting mark that's live? Okay, let's go take a look. Spickles, no, there's specs. Speakeasy. I really don't see any conflicts. That's actually a pretty good name. So there you have it. I just wanted to show you that. Play with this with your brand. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. But this is kind of what I do when I'm working with startups. I try to find good names that can be trademarkable and fun and snappy, and also getting the domain. Guys, it's so awesome when you can couple a great brand with a great domain.
I knew that the rest of our journey would be great success.
Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to bring that to you. Hope you're having a great Sunday evening. We'll see you around next week. I got some great videos popping out, so we'll see you then. Have fun. Bye now.